One of the hidden mysteries of a ship are the bunk beds. Where do they hide them? Well, they hide them in the ceiling, for the most part. And this is an inside room which shows the bunk bed closed up in the ceiling. This room has 2 bunk beds, and this picture shows one completely folded up and one being opened. The bunk bed is now being folded out, and this is only done by staff. They do not wish for you to touch these bunk beds so you don't get injured. The bunks are now completely down and have been stripped so they can be readied again for the next voyage. We have an ocean view room which contains a king-size bed that can be also made into 2 twin beds. And we have a full-length couch which can be turned into a single bed. Because of this, we only have 1 bunk bed in our room that hangs from the ceiling, and it hangs over the couch.